Together, these nutrients create a powerful duo that can support your weight loss journey. In this video, we'll explore how Moringa can enhance your weight loss efforts by boosting your metabolism, curbing cravings, and providing sustained energy. You'll learn practical tips on incorporating Moringa into your daily routine, whether through smoothies, teas, or supplements. So, stick around as we uncover the science behind Moringa and its transformative effects on your body. Get ready to discover how this superfood can help you achieve your weight loss goals. I appreciate your support. Discover the weight loss benefits of Moringa. Moringa is not just a trendy superfood, it's a game changer regarding weight loss and overall health. One of the critical ways Moringa contributes to shedding those extra pounds is by boosting metabolism. This leafy green is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that help enhance your body's metabolic rate, allowing you to burn calories more efficiently. Additionally, Moringa has been shown to help reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan. You're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks by curbing those pesky hunger pangs. Now let's take a closer look at Moringa's impressive nutritional profile. It's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, particularly calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is crucial for maintaining strong bones, but it also plays a significant role in fat metabolism. Studies indicate adequate calcium levels can help your body break down fat more effectively. On the other hand, vitamin D is essential for regulating your metabolism and can even influence how your body stores fat. Together, these nutrients support weight management and promote bone health, making Moringa a holistic addition to your diet. By incorporating Moringa into your meals, you're working towards your weight loss goals and investing in your overall well-being. So, let's explore how to make Moringa a delicious part of your daily routine. Calcium and vitamin D boost. Regarding weight loss and overall health, calcium and vitamin D are two powerhouse nutrients that play vital roles. Moringa is an excellent source of both. Let's start with calcium. This essential mineral is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth and aids fat metabolism and muscle function. Research shows that adequate calcium levels can help your body break down fat more efficiently, making it easier to lose weight. Additionally, calcium supports muscle contractions, which are essential for any physical activity, helping you stay active and burn more calories. Now let's talk about vitamin D. This nutrient is often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it when exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D plays a significant role in regulating mood and appetite. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to increased cravings and a higher risk of weight gain. Ensuring you have sufficient vitamin D can help stabilize your mood and keep those hunger pangs at bay, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Moringa stands out as a fantastic source of calcium and vitamin D, providing these nutrients in a natural form. You can harness the benefits of these essential nutrients by incorporating Moringa into your diet, whether through smoothies, teas, or supplements. This supports your weight management efforts and enhances your overall health and well-being. What happened to your body when you eat Moringa powder every day? Incorporating Moringa powder into your daily routine can produce remarkable physiological changes that enhance your overall health. One of the most noticeable benefits is a significant boost in energy levels. Moringa is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including iron and B vitamins, crucial for energy production. Many people report feeling energized and less tired after adding Moringa to their diets, making tackling daily activities and workouts easier. Another critical benefit of daily Moringa consumption is improved digestion. Moringa is high in fiber, which promotes healthy bowel movements and aids in the prevention of constipation. A well-functioning digestive system makes you feel better and enhances your body's ability to absorb nutrients effectively. This means that the vitamins and minerals from your foods are utilized more efficiently, leading to better overall health. Moreover, consistent use of Moringa can contribute to weight loss results. By improving digestion and nutrient absorption, Moringa helps your body utilize nutrients while reducing cravings for unhealthy foods.